There is like two opinions with respect to heating ghee, or for example, in Haridra Kanda, ghee is used. Some people would right away fry the turmeric with ghee and then add rest of the ingredients and make this one. And some people would use or add ghee nearing to the end of the procedure. And I also see in some Western Ayurvedic books stating that ghee cooking or say, boiling for a long time is not so very good. Any opinion on that, sir?
See, I very clearly Ayurveda and the Acharyas have said when to use oil and when to use grita. And while cooking, very clearly they said for how long it should be. And something it should be cooked in ghee means it should be cooked in ghee. We cannot replace it in the other modes. Similarly, when Acharyas have said add ghee at the end, in many occasions add honey at the end, they said very clearly in that portion, in that pattern only it should be done. And very clearly, ghee should not be eaten, it should be drunk. That's why it is said, Gritam pibet, it is said. So you need to just melt it down, then only you can use it. You observe that in any feast and all those things, they don't put it in that fashion of something like one bolus. It will be melted ghee and they'll be pouring it while on the plantain leaves when we are sitting for the food. You observe that. That's the reason it should be taken when it is melted.
Probably the reason why they fear heating or cooking with ghee for longer time is it would change the nature. Would you worry about that?
No, it won't change much. What is required to their body will remain in that. And our interest in that is to fry, cook the material in ghee. So we are not worried about the ghee there. We are worried about the material which is going to be cooked there.
I also have the same opinion. Like in Grita, Paka and all, if you are using like 10 liters, 20 liters of ghee for making herbal ghees, we'll be like boiling ghee for days together. So that should not be wrong.